Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. Let's start our analysis for Bitcoin and Ethereum. This is a monthly chart and you can see that monthly is bullish. However, you can see that this monthly candle opened in rejection. Here we had a rejection and see what happened after that. And moving averages are quite wide apart, so it's possible that we can see move to the downside according to monthly. It all depends this month's candle, especially how it closes. Now, if we analyze this in week and this in weekly, see what are the similarities or differences. See here, this area was broken, and then the market came down. In this case, similar situation is happening as well. So we have to be careful here. Also, in weekly, there's a divergence here. So there's possibility the market can come down from here. In daily, there's a clear divergence in daily as well. So this is the situation. So what we need to do, we have to be careful and look. If this level is broken, then there's a possibility of move to the downside. We have this level and then we have this level. Also, there's in daily, that's a 3-day chart. And in weekly, also this trend line has been broken, or there was a channel here, and that is broken. But with that kind of channel break, we have to look for the next levels now. And the market still have the opportunity to go to the upside. Okay, so that's it. And that's for the daily. Going on to the 4-hour chart. Yes, one more thing. If this level is broken in daily, then we can expect further move to the upside. At the moment, we can still class is a liquidity sweep. But look here, 1, 2, 3, these three, it was strong level, so it was broken. So it's possible the market can go to the upside. But this is how I look at it anyway. And 4-hour, you can see that moving averages already showing the bearish structure here as well. So be careful if you not take trade, you always go to smaller time frame, 15 minutes or 1 hour, or 15, whatever you like. You can take smaller trades. Here was trading opportunity, and we can see the movement up to here. Okay, so from here, so when the price level comes here, then you can see to the further to this area. Okay, so that's for the Bitcoin. I would suggest not to take buys or long-term holding for Bitcoin anyway, because it's at a very high price. Now going on to Ethereum. We had a rejection in Ethereum, and you can see this area can be tested again. As per analysis, we have this rejection from here. That's monthly, and weekly you see similar situation here in weekly as well. Also, we have a M pattern here, so we can see test here around up to here, in fact. And going on to daily, channel is building up, 3-day situation. Now, we don't know which side it can break. So things are not very clear at the moment. However, the moving average can tell us that if the crossover happens and the RSI goes below 50 is a possibility, it can come up to this level, yeah? Further exploring this, you can see the multiple trading opportunities here even one hour using moving averages. So currently there's no buy sell in BTC or long term in Ethereum. However, if the proper levels for Ethereum are achieved up to here or up to here, we can see with confirmation we can see some buys. Okay, so I'll leave this, and also it depends on the BTC prices also, because all the cryptocurrencies move with BTC. I hope this is helpful, and you have a good day, good night. Thank you. Bye bye.